Lavender's easy to grow, lasts for years and smells great. It's a real favourite in kiwi gardens. To get planting at your place, you'll need some garden mix, sheet pellets, mulch and your lavender. You can choose from 3 main types. English has the strongest scent and is great as a low hedge. Italian, with the classic rabbit ears above the flower, less fragrant but suits humid conditions. And French, fast growing with lush green foliage. All types come in multiple shades and flower from spring through autumn, peaking in summer. Today I'm going to be planting a couple of princess lavender. These are an Italian lavender type. They love full sun, so I've chosen a nice sunny spot here by the side of the house. Now it's important to check within the different varieties how big they get. This one grows to about 70 centimetres. Just a good idea to check that spacing before you plant. I reckon these are going to look great here. Right, I'm going to dig a hole pretty much the same size as the plant, just a little bit bigger, so we can add some organic material. Now this soil's pretty good, but if it was a bit boggy or clay heavy, we would add some drainage to it, like a scoria or something. Because lavenders really like a well-drained soil. But I'm happy to go straight in with my garden mix. It's free draining and full of nutrients. Leave a little bit of room for some sheet pellets. A little handful should be enough. Lightly mix those through. Great, ready to get the plant in. As always, just a good idea to give it a little light squeeze in here. Just check it's not too root bound. Hold the top gently. That is quite root bound. Just give that a little light teasing. Another real bonus is that bees love lavender and they're great to have around the garden. Pretty happy with that level. So now it's just backfilling around the rest of the hole. Spreading that out. Lightly press down around the sides of the plant. Now we're going to give these guys some water and then lay down some mulch. Just give that a good spread around and it'll help keep weeds away. Right, they're good to go. You can plant from August through to December. They do well in full sun to part shade, in the ground or in pots with free draining soil. Water daily in summer, then infrequently during winter. Feed monthly in spring to help them establish, but be mindful that lots of fertilizer does affect the oils, meaning less fragrance. A regular light prune will encourage flowers and keep them bushy. Don't let them get woody. There's a couple of things that might bug your lavender. If they collapse, they might have root rot from poor drainage. Yellowing leaves means they need a feed, and watch for spittle bug and the very stubborn garden weevil and use insecticide if needed. Right, that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe to the Mitre YouTube channel for more great content or click here to watch more now.